evening. Today in our MMP session, Millionaire Mindset Practice session. After our practices, we are learning one important aspect of personal finance. That is financial security through term insurance. Okay. So this is one of the most ignored which people are doing and people are missing in their personal finance. Now, what is that? Okay. What we can say that many times insurance advisors are selling only endowment plans, and they're not creating awareness about term insurance. That's the main reason people are missing about that. Many people doesn't even know the meaning of what is term insurance is required. For that, I just wanted to share one example which I heard about like 3 years back when there was a COVID happened. There was one person who was just around like 45-year-old. He had two grown children, that is around like one was studying in 8th standard, another was studying in 10th standard, and wife was a homemaker. And he had a very good big bungalow, and he has taken bungalow on this one EMI. And during COVID, this person expired in Delhi. Okay, this person expired in Delhi. And one of my friend, he asked me regarding that, okay, what is the way like we can get the money from the insurance? Then I told all the procedure. He went to his family, he wanted to help his family. And when he went by saving his insurance policies, that person was earning 3 lakh rupees per month. 45-year-old guy, 3 lakh rupees per month. He had only one insurance, that is LIC policy, where he was paying 80,000 premium, and they approximately got 8 lakh rupees and some bonuses which is included. That is approximately 8 to 10 lakh rupees they got. Now the shocking news here is what family has to what type of trauma that family is going through now, because they were living a very good lifestyle, very good bungalow they are having. Apart from that bungalow, that person doesn't had any other thing, because whatever he has earned so much, he has invested for his children's education, and he has taken that bungalow on loan, and he got, and some amount he had in mutual fund and all. Apart from that, he didn't had anything. Now the family is clueless that even if they wanted to sell the house, they have to clear their loan first. Unless and until they clear the loan, no, the bank is not giving the papers to sell the property. So this is what the problem they faced at that time, and finally they managed with the help of many other people. But if this is a case that can happen to that family, don't you believe that if those insurance, they can also go through this situation once any of the time, any uneven situations are happening in their life? Because nowadays, like even though you are taking care of your health, because of lifestyle, because of the stress, because of various factors, there are a lot of people, maybe you have seen, who are young, fit and fine people. They are expired at the age of 36, 38, 40, 45. You can see there are a lot of, maybe in Bangalore itself, there is Appu, we call Puneet Rajkumar. There was another actor, Chiranjeevi. There are a lot of people like who are very good, very fine, and everything they had, but they expired at the young age. So that you can understand what is the threat, or like what is the lifestyle we are living, and what is the threat we have for our family members. Now, who has to think about it? If you are a bread earner and your entire family is dependent upon you, then you have to think about term insurance. Now, what exactly meaning of term insurance? Now, this term insurance is giving a coverage for a specific period. That is called specific period of time. That is called term. Okay. Now, this term insurance does not have any cash value or investment components. So this is the reason many people neglect that. As soon as the people have a thinking that money. So that is the reason people are not opting for term insurance. They are just going for the endowment plans. I am not denying that you should take and first take term insurance if your family is dependent upon, because at the very less price, you are getting a huge coverage. And once you said that, okay, my entire family is secured now, then you can invest in various other options, depend upon your risk appetite. Okay. Now, what is that this term insurance will do? This term insurance will give you, your family, a financial protection to your loved ones when you are not there with them. Okay. Now, what is the key features here you have to think about it? This policy is not for a longer term. Maybe it may be for 10, 20 or 30 years, depend upon how many years your family is dependent upon you, because it is your duty to provide lifestyle which they are living at present. And the premium is depend upon the number of years you are opting for the term insurance. If you are taking for 30 years, definitely the premium will be more. If you are taking for 20 years, definitely the premium will be less. Okay, so it depends upon number of years you wanted to cover for yourself. Now, when you take a coverage, the important thing you have to think, how much should I take a term insurance? What is the coverage I have to take? Now, it depends upon your family size. How many people are dependent upon you? Is it only spouse? Is it along with spouse, the children? Is it along with spouse and children, your parents are also dependent upon you? Okay, it is depend upon your income. If suppose you are not there, what is the income plan? So whatever you are bringing it to for your family, this at least the same thing they have to get for when you are not there. Okay, it depends upon the debt which you have taken, how much loan you have at present. Okay, it depends upon the future yourself and for your family members. Okay, because it will give you the financial support. It will cover the mortgage, okay, mortgage payment. It will cover the education cost. It will cover the daily living expenses. All things will cover, depend upon your term insurance when you are not there. If suppose these things are not there, then you have to think, there are many chances are there that people has to go through some of the trauma and they have to think about what next I have to do. Now, you may be having some questions here. Then what is the difference between term insurance and other endowment plans? Now, other endowment plans have two factors included here. One is saving component, another one is death benefit. But pure term insurance is having only death benefit. So you have to think about it. Now, are you ready to apply term insurance for yourself? Are you ready to take that step? If yes, then again you have to think about some more things. Okay, ask a question about your health. Are you fit and fine? What at present? What is the family? Because depend upon your health, because every time when you take a term insurance, depend upon your age, depend upon your income, and depend upon your coverage, what you are opting, you have to go for a medical checkup. Recently, one thing happened, same with one of my friend, like who came from Kuwait, and he has already planned, wanted to take a term insurance, who is just 41 years old. And when he came here, he went for a medical checkup. And at that time, his premium was approximately 44,000 rupees. And once they have done the medical checkup, the company told him that you have to pay additional 60,000 rupees. Now, what is the reason? The reason is they have found something wrong in his medical checkup, and he finally not opted, and he wanted to confirm that whether he is going through that same like medical whether maybe a medical checkup which went wrong or the report is wrong. When he went and again found out he had a 90% block, and when he had a 90% block, he went to the famous hospital in Mumbai, and like he has taken a treatment. Now the two things, he didn't even had a health insurance, he didn't even had a term insurance. Now the doctor he has done an open heart surgery. Doctor has told him to take a 6-month rest. Now you just imagine the situation. What can go through their family? It's thank God that the person is alive. What if something went wrong at that time? The family has to think a lot, right? They have to suffer a lot because of that one thing, where people are not having term insurance and health insurance. So make sure that whenever you are taking any health insurance, any term insurance, you are giving right information about your health. If suppose you are not giving right information, and later if they found that either the premium will increase, or maybe even at that time if they are not finding, and later when there is a claim, and there is a chances that company can deny that claim. So don't make it happen in your life. So next, if you are healthier, it is better. So based on your health, the premium can vary. Okay, there are chances that if you are healthier and younger, your premium will be less for the huge coverage. Okay, and like coverage is based on again your age, based on your income, how much income you are having at present. If your age is more and your income is less, there is very less chances that you are getting a less coverage. But your age is less and income is more, it is very easy to get a term insurance and huge coverage, you can opt for it. Okay, so this is about the term insurance. Now, why? Again, I wanted to repeat it here, why you have to take it, because it is a cost-effective premium you are paying for that, for protecting your entire family, protecting your own financial goals, protecting your loved ones, and you are ensuring the financial stability for your entire family. And consider that this term insurance fits for your overall financial planning. Do your financial planning first. Make sure that what is the exact coverage you are looking for, what is the exact coverage your family is looking for when you are not there, and how much cost it is incurring for fulfilling your dreams. Based on that, you take a coverage, and do it quickly and immediately, so that you may not have any chances, or like what you can say, that any reasons to tell that I have not done it before. Okay, so thank you so much for that. And if you want have any queries, you just write down in the chat box, comment section, have you taken that step already or not? If taken, it is very good. If you have not taken, please write down the reason. What may be the one reason which is holding you back to take that step? And if anything of the we can give any solution, definitely I would more than happy to give you that solution. And if you want any of the queries regarding that, you can contact us and we can give you the solution, best suitable solution for that. Okay, thank you so much for listening this. If you think that this video is useful for others, especially for your colleagues, family members and friends, then please send it to those people, so that like you, they can also take a right decision at the right time. Okay, thank you so much. If you wanted to know more about insurance and more about personal finance, we are coming up with various important aspects of personal finance through my videos. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the session in the future. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.